Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the video with today. Just watch the video. Now, actually, right here, I got a package which has a coin mechanism in it for my broken Gumball machine. Well, it was technically broken. Funny story, real quick. I asked for a return because I got it off eBay. They send me a refund and this so I can keep the item, so that's pretty cool. And then this big huge package right here is actually a Gumball machine stand, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need some stands, and because I already have 2 Gumball machines out and the one right here. So I know you need stands for Gumball machines, otherwise there's really no point. It's better. And lots of people have been commenting down below. Thank you guys for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and open these things up. What we have here, like I said, is the coin mechanism, and that's on that side of my information on that side. So I'm gonna just like this. This is what I hate. Like, you don't have to be that stupid. Like, you know, let's do this. That could have been even bad. Come on, I can see it inside. Hopefully it's not broken or anything, because that would not be good. Alright, there we go. It's definitely used. You can definitely see the usedness on there. You know, that probably should come off with some cleaning. Hopefully, at least. It's all throughout there. On the back side, it seems really old. Look at the backside. All rusty up and dusty. I'll just gonna rinse it off. Hopefully everything comes off perfectly fine. Hopefully it works. Let's do it right now, actually. I don't want to keep you guys in suspense. So I'm gonna grab one of my quarter coin rolls. Take the quarter out. I'm hoping it works. Alright, slide the quarter in. Alright, that's good enough for me. As long as it's all clean, it's totally fine. It should be working. Okay. So now let's move on to the bigger stuff. It says document enclosed. And I'm trying to look at my address on there. I got my life on there for a reason. This thing says document enclosed. And it's the stand from Gumball Machine Warehouse. Shout out Brian LaRue. Information on here. Yeah. So it's basically just the receipt. I can show you this at least, most of it at least. Yeah, like that. So yeah, it was $50 basically. If you guys don't know, I got a discount. Fall, I asked her and she gave me that. But now, if you guys want a even better discount, VN for Vending Nation from Brian LaRue. Shout out to you, bro. So yeah, $50 for a stand, including shipping and everything. 1 monster cast iron pipe stand, cheapest one I could find. All right, so let's dig on into this. Print off on the other side and everything. I should document everything, and then I showed you my address. So we're doing this all over again. But here we go. It was $50 off Gumball Machine Warehouse, including shipping and everything. I got a discount. We got $3.50 for fall. That was the discount thing. But now there's another discount. This is just like 10% off, I'm pretty sure. Molly over at Gumball Machine Warehouse told me this. So yeah, I got the cheapest one, $35 cast iron stand. Cast iron pipe stand, you know. $35 plus shipping, you know, all that good stuff. And we're Gumball Machine Warehouse. Shout out Vending Nation, Brian LaRue. Me and him are pretty close now, to be honest. He let me in his inner circle for free. Because, you know, I'm once the change channel reported. Really nice guy. It says this side up. Also the other side on that. Let's open this thing up. What does it say? www.rhinovending.com. Cool. Now if I can open this. There we go. So whenever I do this, I feel like I'm gonna break something inside. Today I haven't opened up my honor boxes. So that's cool. Probably gonna like fast forward this. Alright, there we go. Ooh, I hate that little phone stuff. Styrofoam, whatever you wanna call it. There we go.
Come on, Oreo carpet. Let's just pull it out. Yeah. So if you like smush this thing, so I'll go to the floor, and maybe use that. There we go. Alright, more garbage. Just stuff to make sure nothing breaks or anything moves around. So that is pretty heavy. This is nothing that goes on there. This is standing next to them. Put that right there. And we got more of this stuff. Cool. Alright, almost like bombs right now. And here we go. Thing. Nothing else come off. Nothing more garbage. I don't know why there's a hook right there. Let's open the jar up. This is just the actual platform. Let's go with that one, platform. And we have videos on Gumball Machine Warehouse website of how to assemble these things. And some of the nuts are inside here. The nuts and bolts here. Alright. Let's open this thing up. Do I just like pull it out of there? It pops right out. Brand spanking new. And to be honest, this stand costs more than I paid for my Gumball machines. Each one actually. Each one like $40. Oh, this thing is heavy. Yeah, there we go. There's the nuts and bolts. Be careful when you open stuff, right? Trust me on that. Oh, nuts and bolts. Put this to the side. Put that right there. Let's pull the nuts in there too. Alright, that's the side also. And then, that works. The main thing right here. Again, this is really heavy. Easily 30 pounds right here. Probably 40 actually, to be honest. Oh, my slide room on my second floor. Let me on the third floor, that'll be bad. Right. I'm going to watch the video. I didn't watch the video, but I know this part is pretty sure I did this. Screw the video, people. And I bought this stand for a specific location. That one's in the sun right now, so whenever I go there, I have to come up with the backside out. Bad, which is not a good thing. And this thing, but just pulling it along. Yeah. Yes. Well, my tripod just fell. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I think I hit myself.
Alright, so if you really want to know, you just take this, put the Gumball machine on top of it. You just, let me show you. You take this thing right here, put it on top of it. You get the Gumball machine, put it on here, the bottom part where the coins go. And there's like a bunch of holes at the bottom in a circle. You take it, suppose the tray's already on there, and you just screw them in. Simple as that. Remember, I had this for a specific location. So yeah, I'm gonna go there in this video. I don't know when, not today. Probably not today. But yeah, I'll see you guys there, whatever the next shot will be, my people. I just slide this thing in, you just take everything out and slide right in. You also know that. Put it in. And it was a little dirty. I just used some wipes and some water. And now it's okay. I heard a Gumball will come out. Boom. One more time. Heard another Gumball come out. There we go. Perfect. And third time, just to make sure it is consistent. I did it one time before. Basically 4 times. Alrighty. Boom. We got 3 Gumballs. It all works. And this video I won't be placing this thing. That's going to be in my placing Gumball machine videos. But I will be taking that stand over to that location that needs it. And, well, I'm going to show you that in that video. But this thing will be in placing Gumball machine video number 1 with the rest of them. Alright. Right, so right here I'm about to head on into another one of my location that I was on. And it was called Lee's Nails and Tanning Spa, and you'll see what happens once I head on in. But right before we do that, I want to let you guys know, go ahead right now and smash that like button. Alright, please just go ahead and smash the like button. It shows me that you guys are actually liking the videos, you know. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also comment down below and share the video. So here I go into the store, and the lady starts. I put it down there because I was gonna put it over there. The lady said, "No, we don't want it." I'm like, but you know, it's gonna work out for you. And they said they don't have space. I showed them the different options in the store where they could put it. They said they still don't want it. So that was weird, but then they also told me that the Gumball machine wasn't working. And they said sometime it works and sometime it doesn't. So I was starting to freak out a little bit, to be honest with you. But I go ahead, I leave the stand there, and I go ahead and head on to the Gumball machine, as you see right here. And you know, I go do my sus, the camera down. I open it up, try to see, I try it out myself. It works for me. It just something doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why, but here's the reason I think it might be why. I ordered this machine off eBay, and they came with candy wheels, not the 1-inch round gumball wheels. So that could be the reason why. Because whenever someone puts a quarter in the wheel turns, the gumball drops to the person who gets it. But then another gumball does not drop into the chute. So then the next time somebody goes and turns it, there will be no gumball in there because the gumball didn't fall in there. Since it's a triangle shaped candy wheel. It is what it is. I don't know why my hair looks so bad upside down, but it's upside down. Otherwise, it looks sexy as hell. But yeah, that was basically it, and I just told them if it happens again, let me know. My number's in the back, my card and everything, so they might have to call me or whatever. I might go in, and then I'll probably have to order a gumball wheel, which are like $10, which is gonna be another pain in the butt, cause you know $10 down the drain again. But it is what it is. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys then.
That's not lining up. Take you guys that way down there.
I'm about to head on in. That part's really far away, so this thing is like, what, 20 pounds right now? 50 pounds probably, almost. What the thing costs just to get inside the store. Hopefully they allow it. If you want to see me place, you're gonna have to wait for my Gumball machine placing video number 1. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, sorry, but it is. Alright, so if you're wondering what's happening, I'm sorry, but you're gonna Gumball machine placing video. I'm sorry, but you're gonna wait till it's gonna be the first video. It'll be called placing Gumball machines number 1. Stay tuned for that. Turn post and subscribe for that. But if you guys didn't already get it, I did take the Gumball machine that I put the new coin mechanism on, and I put the stand on that one eventually because other people didn't want it. So I did that, and I tried to place it at a place. Maybe we said yes, maybe we said no. I'm just gonna have to wait till the placing Gumball machines video. So yeah, that's whatever's next. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a nice little video to review a Gumball machine reviewing, and you know, putting it up, you know, all that good stuff from like Gumball machine stand from Gumball machine warehouse. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe down below, turn on those post notifications, and my phone's getting spam notifications right now. That is what should be happening when the video rolls live. Also, go for comment and share the video if you want. You guys know the drill. Just do it, please. You know, I'm 13 making these videos off my iPhone 8 right here. If you didn't know, but anyways. Just do it, please. Just do it. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Follow my social medias. It'll be in the link in the description, and it will be at the end screen. But yeah, peace.